Finding a good daily driver for around $8,000 might sound tricky these days. Prices keep climbing, and many older cars come with hidden issues that turn what looks like a great deal into a problem. But the truth is, there are still plenty of solid options out there for cars that are comfortable, efficient, and simply make daily life easier. In today's video, we'll take a look at 6 practical cars in the $8,000 range models known for their smooth ride, manageable maintenance costs, and features that make driving less stressful and more enjoyable. These aren't flashy or expensive cars, they're the kind of vehicles that just work, day after day. So if you're tired of worrying about repairs or spending too much just to get from A to B, stay with me because a simple, comfortable daily car might be all you really need. Starting off our list, we have a car that doesn't always get the attention it deserves, the Chevrolet Malibu. Beginning with the 2013 model year, this mid-size sedan was designed for people who just want something comfortable, practical, and easy to live with. It's the kind of car that fits your daily routine effortlessly, whether you're driving to work, picking up groceries, or going on a weekend trip. Under the hood, most Malibus from this generation come with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, offering enough power for everyday use while keeping fuel economy around 25 to 30 miles per gallon. It's not about speed or flash, it's about smooth, predictable driving that makes your day easier. Inside, the Malibu feels solid and composed. The cabin is quiet, the seats are supportive, and the ride quality is pleasantly soft for city roads. It also includes convenient features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and decent sound insulation, even on lower trims. According to RepairPal, the average maintenance cost per year sits in the mid-$500 range, which is reasonable for a mid-size sedan. Parts are easy to find, and any local mechanic can take care of it without issues. You can often find well-kept models from this generation starting around the $7,000 range, depending on condition, mileage, and location. A few things to keep in mind. Some early models may show slight transmission hesitation, and the infotainment system isn't the most modern. But if you're looking for a comfortable, easygoing daily car that feels more expensive than it is, the Malibu quietly delivers. Next on the list is a car that proves you don't need to spend a lot to get something stylish and comfortable, the Hyundai Sonata, from 2012 and up. This mid-size sedan is one of those cars that feels like it should cost more than it does. It's sleek, smooth, and built for people who want an easy daily drive without sacrificing comfort or looks. The Sonata from this generation comes with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers a nice balance between power and fuel efficiency, averaging around 27 to 30 miles per gallon combined. It's quiet on the highway, easy to handle in traffic, and has enough space for a small family or long commutes. Inside, Hyundai really focused on comfort and design. The interior feels modern, with a clean dashboard layout, supportive seats, and good visibility. Many trims even include features like Bluetooth, USB ports, and steering wheel controls that make your daily drive just a little easier. Maintenance costs sit in the low to mid $400 range per year, according to RepairPal, making it affordable to own and service. Parts are easy to find, and reliability has proven solid, especially when well maintained. You can find good condition models from this generation starting around $6,000, depending on mileage and location. A few things to keep in mind. Some earlier 2012-2013 models had recalls for minor engine or steering issues, so it's worth checking service history before buying. Aside from that, it's a smooth, efficient, and pleasant car for anyone who just wants something that makes everyday driving simple and enjoyable. Now let's move to a car that's perfect for people who want something practical, but a little different than the Subaru Impreza from 2013 and up. This compact sedan and hatchback combo brings something special to the table. Standard all-wheel drive, making it an ideal choice for drivers who deal with rain, snow, or rough roads on a daily basis. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine isn't built for speed, but it's smooth and efficient, with fuel economy around 28 to 32 miles per gallon. Paired with Subaru's well-balanced chassis, the Impreza feels stable and safe, even on slippery roads. That's what makes it such a great daily car for all seasons. Inside, the Impreza is simple but well thought out. The visibility is excellent, the seats are supportive, and the ride feels composed. It's a car that's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to live with. The hatchback version adds extra cargo flexibility, perfect for people with an active lifestyle. Maintenance costs are moderate around the mid-$500 range per year, according to RepairPal, and Subaru parts are widely available. If properly serviced, these cars easily last beyond 200,000 miles. You can find examples of this generation starting from around $7,300, depending on mileage and trim. A few things to note. Some early models with CVT transmissions can feel a bit sluggish or noisy, and oil consumption should be monitored. But overall, the Impreza delivers something rare at this price point: comfort, practicality, and the confidence of all-wheel drive in one solid daily car. If your idea of a daily driver includes hauling family, friends, or gear, the Dodge Grand Caravan from 2013 and up might be one of the smartest choices out there. It's a minivan that doesn't try too hard. It simply does everything you ask of it, with space, comfort, and surprising practicality for the price. Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, the Grand Caravan has plenty of strength for highway merging or carrying a full load of passengers. It's smooth, steady, and far more comfortable than people expect. The 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive setup keep things simple and affordable to maintain. Inside is where the Grand Caravan truly shines. With 3 rows of seating and Dodge's signature Stow-and-Go system, you can fold the second and third rows completely flat into the floor, turning the van into a cargo hauler in seconds. That flexibility makes it perfect for families, road trips, or anyone who just wants a vehicle that can adapt to daily life. Maintenance costs average around the $600 range per year, according to RepairPal, which is fair considering its size and power. Parts are common, and most local mechanics know these vans inside and out. You can find well-kept examples starting from around $6,900, depending on mileage and features. A few things to keep in mind. The interior materials aren't luxurious, and some owners report minor electronic or sliding door issues as the van ages. But for pure practicality and value, few vehicles give you this much room and versatility for the price. It's a true workhorse for everyday life. If you're enjoying this list, take a second to hit that like button. It really helps this channel grow and keeps videos like this coming. Tell me in the comments what your favorite daily car has been so far. I always love hearing your stories. And hey, if you know someone who's looking for a solid car on a budget, share this video with them. It might help them save a few $1,000s. Stay tuned, because our final car is coming up, and it's one that proves American sedans still have plenty of life left in them. To wrap up our list, let's talk about a car that embodies classic American comfort, the Ford Taurus, from 2013 and up. Once a favorite among families and fleets, the Taurus has quietly become one of the best value full-size sedans for everyday driving. If you want a large, smooth, and comfortable car that makes daily life easier, this is a great option to consider. Most versions feature a 3.5-liter V6 engine, offering strong power for highway driving and a calm, composed ride that feels solid and confident. The cabin is quiet, with wide, supportive seats that make even long commutes relaxing. Inside, the Taurus has a clean, modern layout. Even mid-level trims include Bluetooth, power seats, dual-zone climate control, and a massive trunk that can easily fit luggage, groceries, or tools. According to RepairPal, annual maintenance costs usually stay in the mid-$500 range, and replacement parts are easy to find. You can find well-kept models from this generation starting from around $7,100, depending on condition and mileage. A few things to keep in mind: the Taurus is a big car, so parking in tight spaces can take practice, and fuel economy isn't as strong as smaller sedans. But for drivers who value comfort, stability, and that classic American ride, the Taurus delivers a lot of car for a very fair starting price. So there you have it, 6 cars that prove you don't need a luxury badge or a huge budget to make everyday driving easy and enjoyable. Each of these models brings something different to the table: comfort, space, or simple practicality that just fits real life. If you found this list helpful, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's looking for a solid daily car without spending too much. And tell me down below which one of these cars would you choose as your daily driver. I love reading your stories and learning what cars have made your life easier.